Minieri School is located on Allua land in Minieri. We've got approximately 210 kids enrolled in the school, about 700 people in community. So at Minieri School we try and have a trauma-informed lens over our teaching and our learning in our classrooms. So that means setting the tone as they come in the room and ensuring that students know how to take deep breaths and calm themselves down when they are in a fight, flight or freeze response. We listen to the Creole versions of the meditation so that they can bring them back down without having to do that translation into English, and that allows them to just be thinking of the story and not trying to code switch. I think the more that I learn about trauma-informed practice and about what's going on for our students when they're presenting maybe not ideally in the classroom, when they've got challenging behaviours, the more that you can understand of what's going on inside for them means that your interventions are a lot more successful and you're not relying on sort of a surface level behaviour management. You're actually able to intervene with what they need, and through Smiling Mind I've learnt more about that internal working and the brain. We did some learning around what our bodies feel like when we're calm, how to bring ourselves back to calm, the importance of deep breaths and sort of slowing our breathing. That then meant that we could use the Smiling Mind read sources in the classroom, and they were able to listen to them and really enjoy them as a time to calm down and to bring themselves back down from play or lunch or whatever's happened during their day. And therefore, as a teacher, you can get more learning done because you're not focused on that behaviour management. So I definitely recommend Smiling Mind to other schools. Signing up for the program ensures that you've got the professional development to understand what the meditations are for and why to use mindfulness in the classroom. The training is invaluable as a starting point for understanding trauma-informed practice and mindfulness, and not sort of just using it as a buzzword, but for what it actually means for students, and especially for students coming from trauma. So I definitely encourage it as a starting point, and I think personally for me it's been a big jumping off point too for further professional development and learning.